Would you say it all starts with the cabinets? Because I know from this kitchen standpoint, cabinets are really the centerpiece of it all.
Oh yeah. So kitchens are my forte. I love doing kitchens and bathrooms, but my bread and butter, like my knowledge, all of my basis is on cabinetry. That's my carpentry, trim work, and cabinets are my thing.
What do you see in the way of trends right now in the way of cabinetry or anything that's kitchen in that area?
Yeah. Trends have changed rapidly. So a long time we saw gray. Gray and white kitchens. We've done them many, many times over the years, but we're starting to see a shift. Less of those cooler colors, more warm, natural tones, a lot of greens, a lot of taupes, things like that. And then also, I think 2020 had an impact on this where we had a lot of open concept floor plans for years. And now we're starting to see people wanting to kind of keep their spaces more defined separately.
Would you say any particular color palette might be better for those looking to sell their house?
White is always safe. It's timeless. It's never going to go away. There are a few classic stain colors too, like the medium browns, the medium tans. Those are pretty safe. In terms of right now, today, like everybody wants the taupes, the whites. So it really just depends on like your longevity in that space for resale. You know, if you're looking at 10 years in that home or 20 years, that may make a difference in what you should choose.
Probably. So ultimately, white is
White's the safe answer.
safe answer.
Yeah.
From the homeowner's perspective, right? Let's say someone is looking to sell their house. They've got their cabinets in there from a couple of decades ago. What are some decisions that they can make that maybe will prepare for the sale, but then keep them within a reasonable cost as well?
So everybody's budget's a little different. Money is a scary thing to talk about for most clients, and I get it. There's a connotation. If somebody asks your budget first, then they're going to charge you more or something like that. It's never the case. We always want to kind of help every client get to whatever their goal is, whether it's redoing their kitchen and selling the home or redoing it and staying there. Budget helps because if you have an idea of, certain remodeling projects that you're trying to accomplish before you list it, it kind of helps and cuts the fat a little in terms of like getting you through the process faster.
Sure.
So you can move on to the next thing.